In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, businesses are constantly seeking innovative ways to enhance operational efficiency, reduce unexpected downtime, and optimize overall asset performance. One transformative technology that is gaining significant traction in various industries is remote equipment monitoring. This powerful tool provides real-time visibility into the health and operational status of equipment located anywhere in the world. By leveraging advanced IoT sensors, sophisticated data analytics, and robust cloud computing infrastructure, it empowers businesses to make well-informed decisions and streamline their maintenance processes. Remote equipment monitoring enables both proactive and predictive maintenance strategies, allowing businesses to anticipate and address potential issues before they escalate into major problems. As more businesses recognize the substantial benefits of this technology, the global market for remote equipment monitoring is poised for exponential growth, driving innovation and efficiency across various sectors. Remote equipment monitoring relies on sensors placed on critical equipment. These sensors continuously collect data on parameters like temperature, pressure, and vibration. Data is transmitted wirelessly to a central monitoring station or cloud-based platform. Once there, it is processed and analyzed using advanced software applications. Automated alerts are triggered if any parameter deviates from predefined thresholds, enabling timely intervention. This system provides a holistic view of equipment health and performance regardless of location. The benefits of remote equipment monitoring are numerous and far-reaching. It empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions that optimize operations and reduce costs. One significant advantage is minimizing downtime by detecting potential issues early. This proactive approach saves money and ensures peak equipment performance. Remote monitoring also reduces maintenance costs by eliminating unnecessary inspections. It enhances safety by providing continuous monitoring of critical parameters. Alerts for hazardous conditions enable immediate action to mitigate risks. Exploring common use cases for remote equipment monitoring. Remote equipment monitoring, or REM, is a powerful tool that has revolutionized how industries operate. The versatility of remote equipment monitoring makes it ideal for various industries. From manufacturing to healthcare, REM provides real-time data and insights. In manufacturing, it monitors production lines, identifies bottlenecks, and optimizes equipment effectiveness. This leads to increased productivity and reduced downtime. The energy sector uses it to ensure efficient operation of power plants and pipelines. By monitoring critical infrastructure, it helps prevent failures and enhances safety. In transportation, it tracks vehicle location, speed, and fuel consumption. Fleet managers can make informed decisions to improve efficiency. This helps optimize routes, reduce fuel costs, and improve safety. Drivers benefit from real-time updates and better route planning. Healthcare providers use it to monitor critical medical equipment, improving patient care. Remote monitoring ensures that medical devices are functioning correctly and can alert staff to any issues. These use cases demonstrate how REM transforms business operations. By leveraging this technology, businesses can achieve greater efficiency, safety, and reliability across various sectors. Choosing the right remote equipment monitoring system for your needs is a critical decision for any business. Selecting the right system is crucial to maximize your investment and ensure efficient operations. Identify the key equipment and parameters you need to monitor, such as temperature, pressure, or operational status. Consider the type of data, frequency of transmission, and detail required for analysis to make informed decisions. Evaluate the system's communication capabilities, such as cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity, to ensure reliable data transmission. Choose a scalable solution that can grow with your business, accommodating future expansions and technological advancements. Ensure robust security measures to protect your data from cyber threats and unauthorized access. Consider the total cost of ownership, including hardware, software, and maintenance, to budget effectively and avoid unexpected expenses. Remote equipment monitoring revolutionizes asset management, optimizing operations and reducing costs. It empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions that drive efficiency and profitability. As technology advances, expect more sophisticated solutions with AI and machine learning. Embrace remote equipment monitoring to gain a competitive edge in today's data-driven world. So, there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, don't forget to visit our website at www.micromain.com for everything you need on maintenance management.